Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have two slight risk areas today, one covering central North Dakota and north-central South Dakota. Our second slight today covers south-central Nebraska and north-central Kansas. Cities in today's slights include Bismarck, North Dakota, Kearney, Nebraska, Hastings, Nebraska, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Lexington, Nebraska. Our second marginal today covers parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, western Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, much of Nebraska, much of Kansas, western Oklahoma, the eastern part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, and northwestern Texas. Cities in today's marginal include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, and Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses central North Dakota and north-central South Dakota. The 5% tornado risk area today includes Bismarck, North Dakota, Jamestown, North Dakota, and Devil's Lake, North Dakota. We have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering parts of North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, central Nebraska, and north-central Kansas. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Grand Island, Nebraska, Minot, North Dakota, Kearney, Nebraska, Aberdeen, South Dakota, and Hastings, Nebraska. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses central and eastern North Dakota, eastern half of South Dakota, western Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, western Oklahoma, the eastern part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, and northwestern Texas. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Lincoln, Nebraska, Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Midland, Texas. And now to today's hail threat. There is a 15% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering south-central Nebraska and north-central Kansas. The 15% hail risk area today includes Kearney, Nebraska, Hastings, Nebraska, and Lexington, Nebraska. And finally, there is a 5% hail risk today covering central and eastern North Dakota, the eastern half of South Dakota, western Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, western Oklahoma, the eastern part of the panhandle of Oklahoma, and northwestern Texas. The 5% hail risk area today includes Lincoln, Nebraska, Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Midland, Texas. So, in summary, isolated severe thunderstorms are possible across a broad portion of the Great Plains this afternoon to early evening. A more concentrated threat for a couple of tornadoes is evident over parts of the Dakotas and for large hail along the Nebraska and Kansas border. So, anyway, that is your Day 1 outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even the marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck they can do sometimes. Sometimes marginals can overperform. But especially be safe in the slight risk areas. My Day 2 outlook, I don't know if I'm going to have my Day 2 outlook, because Day 2 for right now is just general thunderstorms. Day 2 is just general thunderstorms, so if it remains general thunderstorms, then there's no sense. I repeat, no sense in doing. There'll be no sense in doing a Day 2 outlook if Day 2 just remains general thunderstorms with the afternoon update. Okay? So, just so you're all aware. So, but if the day 2 update does produce a marginal, then I will have a day 2 outlook this afternoon. That's if the Storm Prediction Center upgrades day 2 to a marginal. So, anyway, stay safe today, but I also want to let you know that if I don't have my day 2 today, just in case I end up not having my day 2 outlook, but day 3 has a marginal right now, so tomorrow I will have SPC convective outlooks fill in for me tomorrow for any risk necessary. So, because I have school tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. So, anyway, even if they don't upgrade to a marginal until tomorrow, I will still not be able to have my videos tomorrow. Or Tuesday, because Tuesday I have class from 8 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. Okay? Just so you are all aware of that. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, and I will see you whenever. Take care.